No candles, sir. Okay. I promised you all that one Nurlaila Osman, the wife of detainee Shah Muhammad Satre, would be here this evening to share with you all the experience of herself, her children, in the 6 years that Shah has been detained. She called me a little while ago. She was called off on urgent business to Teluk Intan. Her mother was taken ill. She's on her way back, but as you all know, there's also another ceramah in Ampang, so she's asked me to make her apologies. She probably can't make it today, which is a shame. Because I'm going to take a little while, can I?
No problem.
All right. I've been getting emails, SMSs from some of you saying, Haris, yeah, we feel ISA, but terrorism is a real threat that is faced globally. There's probably truth to that. But which is why I think it's a shame that Nurlaila is not here to share that with you. 6 years. 6 years this man's detained. If there was evidence, shouldn't he be taken to court? You know, and I think that's the question that troubles. That's the question that troubles. How long more are they to be detained if there is evidence of extremism? And Nurlaila will tell you this herself. She'll say, look, if there is evidence against my husband, take the matter to court. You know, and I think that's really what everyone's really concerned about. How long more do these people get held? Now, I mentioned in my posting regarding this this evening's vigil, I mentioned the name of Keat Seng. Right? Has anyone heard of Keat Seng? No? Yeah. That's troubling. That's troubling because I googled his name and there are 6. If I counted correctly, I checked the Aliran list of ISA detainees as at 18 September 2008. 6 Chinese names. I googled and I could not get any information about them at all. The Aliran list has it that Keat Seng has been detained for alleged document falsification since 2006, together with another gentleman by the name of Hao Chuang. And there are 4 others. Their detention are all related to either document falsification or forgeries. Now, what troubles me is this. Okay, you take the case of Shah. He's accused of being involved in Islamic extremist activity. Maybe it's difficult to get evidence of that, right? But when you say document forgery, the first thing that comes to mind is, how do you know that documents have been forged unless you've got the documents that have been forged? And if you have the documents that have been forged, why aren't you taking these men to court? All right? I mean, we are speculating, and that shouldn't be happening. We're talking about the loss of liberty, and here we're wondering why, how, what, where, when. And I started to make inquiries, and again I'm speculating, yeah, I concede that. It suggested that these men may have been implicated with the issuance of false ICs in Sabah. All right? Now, the plot thickens. I don't want to sound racist, but how many Chinese do you see in the civil service? All right? So if they were they involved from the outside? So were they working with men on the inside? And if that's the case, is that why they are on the inside? So that the men on the inside, this is a new dimension to witness protection program. You know? We hold you so you cannot speak. No, but seriously, this is troubling. Are we looking at a legislation that is not just grotesquely unjust, but is being abused to protect those who are breaking the law within government? I don't know, but we shouldn't be speculating. And again, I'm very troubled that you Google and you can't find any information about these men. have habeas corpuses been applied on their behalf? We don't know. Now, can I make a suggestion? Can I make a suggestion, people, and please help me with this? The other interesting development this week is GMI, Gerakan Mansukan ISA, has launched their own blog. All right, this is good. They've joined blogosphere, and that means we can interact with them. There were requests earlier for photographs of the detainees because they are all faceless names. Can we start to interact with GMI through their blog to start to request for information? And I hope GMI is able to help us out with this. I particularly like to focus on these 6 Chinese gentlemen because all of their detentions are related to forgeries of documents. And again, like I said, if you don't have the documents that have been forged, then what's the foundation for the allegation? If you have the documents, why aren't you charging them? You know, I think we need to explore this, right? How many here are here for the first time today? Can we see some hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay.
Okay, love a clap, man.
We're glad you've joined us today, and we hope, because the first Vigil made a commitment to continue to come out on a Sunday, every Sunday, to light the light of hope, and we will persevere with this until all detainees are released, and until ISA is no more in this country. So I hope you will join us again next week, and perhaps bring your friends, yeah? Bring your friends. And can we also give a round of applause to the Datuk Bandar and to the Sultan of Selangor again? To show our appreciation. Now, I'm going to leave the mic, and I would love to hear from, especially some of the new ones who've come in today. Please come and share with us how you heard about this and what motivated you to come and join us today. No, we're not neglecting the old-timers. You guys have a license to walk up here and take this mic anytime, okay? We want to hear from all of you all as well. Okay, folks, let's enjoy the evening.